Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Looking to protect your iPad? Then I want to show you this tempered glass screen protector. This is from SPARIN and you get a set of 3 glass screen protectors for your iPad. You'll just want to make sure that the model you get is compatible with your device so that it will fit properly. The kit comes with everything that you need to install the screen protector, including cleaning wipes, microfiber wipes, and even little dust absorbing stickers so that you can get a really good application. I have used several of these screen protectors and I really love them because they give you clarity, they are responsive to the touch, it does not interfere at all with the use of your device, but it gives you that nice protection that you're looking for. And let me tell you, these things are super sturdy. And I am kind of clumsy. I drop my iPad more often than I want to admit, and these really hold up, protect my device, but still allow me to very clearly see and use my screen. So if you're looking for a high quality tempered glass screen protector, I would definitely check out this one from SPARIN, and that's my point of view.